guys, welcome back to a festival makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this, please stay tuned and keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I've already primed my eyelids, so I'm going to go straight in with the number 17 eyeliner in the shade black. I'm going to do like quite long, medium to thick wing. I didn't really want to do much on the lids. I wanted to keep it quite simple on the lids because I am going to be adding a pop of colour to the inner corner and onto my lips. So yeah, I'll be doing a classic wing. Then lining the top of that black liner, I'll be going in with the brand Collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner, and this is in the shade number 1 Glitz. I just wanted something to pop. I didn't want it all like, you know, dark on my lid, so I thought this looked really, really nice once I added this to the top of the black eyeliner. Moving on to the lower lash, I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty palette and use the shade Manita. I'm going to use a small precise brush first just to line my lower lash, and then after I've applied that, I'll be going in with a more fluffy brush and just blending it out a little bit. Then I'm going to pick up the shade Flamingo in that palette as well and just start blending underneath that colour we applied, just so it doesn't look too harsh underneath there. Then for mascara, I'm using the Heng Fang Length and Volume Mascara. This is waterproof. Now with festivals, it's always debatable wherever the festival is, whether it's going to be sunshine or whether it's going to be rain. So make sure you always wear a waterproof mascara. Then for lashes today, I'm going to go in with the brand called Eyelure. These are just like really nice and fluffy, but look quite natural as well on your lashes. So I applied these ones just because I still wanted to see the glitter peeping through them lashes. So yeah, I absolutely love them lashes, and I always apply with my finger now. It always seems to apply a lot better and easier with my fingers. Moving on to the inner corner, I'm going to pick up some Vaseline. Now this is going to be what is going to adhere the glitter to the inner corner. So I'm going to take a cotton bud and just literally dab this on. You don't want to rub because you're going to rub your makeup off, so literally dab this on. And then I'm going to go in with like this glitter gem mix. I just got this off of Amazon. It's probably about £2, probably less than that. And we're going to take the opposite end of the cotton bud and start applying this to my inner corner. I just felt like this looked really, really funky. Then for blush today, I'm going to use the brand number 7 in the shade Pink Velvet. I just thought I'd keep to the pink theme, sorry, and apply this to my apples of the cheek. Then going in with the Makeup Revolution in collaboration with Soph on YouTube. I'm going to use the purple and the pink highlighter, and I haven't used this before, but it's so pigmented. I mean guys, look at that. And what I liked about this shade as well is it wasn't too purple or pink, so it wasn't that horrible nasty holographic colours that you use to get in highlighter palettes, so I absolutely loved this. Then I'm going to take more of the whitey shade and just apply this right underneath my brow bone just to highlight it a little bit. Then for the gems above our brows, I just brought this off Amazon again, and they literally come in a row. You just peel it off the package, and I just applied this to my brows just to add a little something to my face. Then I'm just going to use that same pink and purple highlighter and just highlight my collarbones and shoulders, just because if it is sunny where we're going for the festival, you want them sun shoulders and collarbones literally glowing, girl. Then I'm just going to clean up my contour and blusher. Then I'm just going to line my lips and fill in my lips to prepare them for liquid lipstick. Then for liquid today, liquid lipstick, sorry, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I didn't know what lipstick to go in with, so I went in with the purple one in the end, and this is in the shade Orchid. And then once I done this, I just wiped away all that baking and then set my face in place using the Avon setting spray and the Pixie by Petra Glow Mist. So yeah guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed this. I know it was a short tutorial, but I just wanted to concentrate on the detail of the eyes and on my face and lips. So yeah, give this tutorial a big thumbs up if you did enjoy watching it. But until next time, I love you all so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.